Yes. Good morning, everyone. It is April the 28th, 2020. It is 6:39, 6:40 now. Took me a minute to type it out. All right. This is the morning report. And what I've done is I stopped it at 5 o'clock. I'll do from 5 till noon. At noon, this is earthquakes that happened overnight while we slept and into this morning. Okay. So let's go ahead and get this up. There was a 3.1 south. Oh, guys, hang on one second. Let me get my calculator. I did these in the dark last night. I apologize. Clear 13. There was a 3.1 south of Bali, Indonesia. Good morning, messenger. You're more than welcome, sweetie. Thank you for coming in. All right, there was a 3.1 south of Bali, Indonesia. They've got that at 8.0 miles in depth. There was a 4.8 Western Xizang, China, in Western Xizang, India border region. Okay, so it was on the border, and they've got that at 6.2 miles in depth. Now we've got EMSC saying there was a 4.5, downgraded it to a 4.3. Good morning, Hub. Off the coast of North Island, New Zealand. The reason they downgraded it, they had it at 111 miles in depth. Now the reason they downgraded is USGS posted 4.3 off the east coast of North Island, New Zealand. They have it 147 miles east, northeast of TAIRUA, New Zealand. Good morning, sis. Thank you so much for coming in. They have that at 111 miles in depth also. Now we've got a discrepancy between USGS and EMSC. EMSC started this off as a 3.4, upgraded it to a 3.6, upgraded it to a 3.6. Sorry guys, let me get my eyes focused. I just got up. Okay, they had a 3.4, upgraded it to a 3.6. Kenai Peninsula, Alaska. They've got it at 40 miles in depth. They have it 13 miles southwest of COHOE. All right, USGS said it was a 3.4. They never upgraded it. I just checked. They still have it. The Kenai Peninsula, Alaska. They've got it 14 miles southwest of COHOE at 34 miles in depth. So USGS, EMSC, both links will be there. There was I'm going to set this up this way, guys. I'm sorry. I've got to set it up so I can read and do this. There was a 3.7 Peru-Ecuador border region. Now, we've got a swarm happening there. Hey, Pete, good morning. We've got a swarm happening in the Peru-Ecuador border region. All right, so far, and I've got a few more that just popped up. I just saw, which will be on the noon report. 3.7 Peru-Ecuador border region at 6 miles in depth. They had a 3.9 Nias region, Indonesia. They have that at 8 miles in depth. A 3.8 Peru-Ecuador border region, and they've got that at 6.2 miles in depth. They had a 3.2 Antofagasta, Chile. They've got that at 151 miles in depth. That was a very deep earthquake, Antofagasta, Chile. There was a 4.2 again, Peru-Ecuador border region. You see what I mean about the little swarm happening there. They've got that at 6 miles in depth. There was a 4.2 off the shore of El Salvador. They've got that at 19.2 miles in depth. A 4.0 Sunda Strait, Indonesia at 6 miles in depth. I'm sorry to keep looking down, guys. There was a 3.2 northern Sumatra at 6 miles in depth. A 4.3 southern Iran at 6. Southern Iran. Hang on, guys. At 1.2 miles in depth. That one I couldn't get. Why they would have all these earthquakes and then they just put a 1.2. Anyway, there was a, according to the USGS, EMSC, 4.4, Tanimbar Islands region, Indonesia. Now, USGS has got it at 55 miles in depth. EMSC has got it, Tanimbar Islands region, at 62.1 mile in depth. That's a big discrepancy in the depth, guys. Both links will be in the description box. There was a 4.3 Peru-Ecuador border region again at 3.1 miles in depth. A 3.6 Peru-Ecuador border region at 3.1 miles in depth. All right, there was a 4.3 off the shore of Oaxaca, Mexico. They've got that at 10 miles in depth. They've got a 4.2. Now, guys, I'm going to spell it. I'm sorry, I'm not going to attempt it this early. Himachal. Next word would be Pradesh, India. All right, they've got that at 31 miles in depth. There was a 3.0 Sicily, Italy. All right, now they've got that at 17 miles in depth. A 3.2 Northern Sumatra. Okay, that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.7 Malaccan Sea, and they've got that at 208 miles in depth. See, they're getting deeper there. And the last one was a 4.7 Peru-Ecuador border region again. That is at 3.1 miles in depth. Now let me count those so far. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So far, 6. Let me count the ones that just happened. Hang on here. Let me pull that up. Okay. There is another one. A 3.6 Peru. I'll get these in the noon report. They had another one. .7 we just did. Okay, so they've had a total of 8 of them so far. Guys, same look. Yes, I hear you. All right. Office. That just popped in. 3.6. Peru-Ecuador border region. All right. We've got a lot of stuff happening on the Peru-Ecuador border region. Let me see if I can pull that up on the map and show you, because that I was a little concerned about, to have all those popping up all at once. All right, over the night. Now, USGS did not post on those. All right, USGS did not post. All right. See if we can pull that little link up at the map. Trying to get them all. It's not easy to pull them all up. So we've had so far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a couple inside Peru. I don't know if I can get these swarms up here, but I'm going to try. All right. Can you see little circles, guys? And look what's up at the top up there. Are you seeing that? I'm seeing a red volcano. All right. I'm seeing a red volcano. All right. So I don't know what's going on. That's erupting. It may be causing tremors or small quakes. I don't know. But I tell you what, I'll keep an eye on this one. All right. Let's see what the name of the volcano is. Name of the volcano is Sangay. Now what I'm going to do right now is pop on that earthquake, and I'm going to go see for myself if they've got a red one there or what. Okay, so hang on for a second. I try to do this. It is the same volcano. And I don't know if you can see this. They have got it red. All right. They've got it erupting. That is the closest volcano. All right. I am not kidding you guys. Not one bit. All right. So I'm going to try my best and keep an eye on that one. That's a hot volcano. It's right smack dab in Ecuador. Let me see how far away they're saying this is. 130 kilometers. Let me do a calculation real quick. Clear. 131. They've got it 81 miles away from all these earthquake swarms that are happening in Peru-Ecuador border region. All right. And it keeps going off. What was that? 4.2. Honshu, Japan. Ecuador. Open that one up. 4.2 Ecuador. Hang on, guys. Let me see here. Peru-Ecuador border region. Let me pull that up. That just happened. There it is, a 4.2. Peru-Ecuador border region. Right there close to the volcano, guys. All right, I'm going to definitely keep an eye on that. Today, I'm going to go ahead and get going. I've got to go pick up some stuff at the pharmacy. And then I will be back. I will write out the new report. We'll see how many more we have in the comments section. I'll post the... no, I can't. No, I want to post the 2 pointers that happen in the comment section. I will keep that marked on my page. It will be marked. I've got it marked for any eruptions bigger now and how much it is erupting. And I'll have alerts sent to my phone, okay? All right, guys, that's what I have. I just want to say I love you bunches. And sending you guys awesome hugs. Hang on 1 second, and I'll read who's here. Give you virtual hugs over the air, okay, since 6 foot distance. Let me copy these and put these links into the description box for you. That was a big earthquake. Let's see. Okay, no, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. They changed their mind. All right, let's see here. We're going to copy these. Send. And we're going to put these into the comment section, into the description section for you. And I'll then post it into community for you, okay? Now I'm going to be quiet so we don't have an echo. Hey, Pete, thank you, sweetie. Video. Edit. Edit video. Description box. Paste. Yes. And paste those. Save. All right, guys, hang on 1 second. I got to put it into the community section, but I want to put in the smaller links first because Puerto Rico, Turkey were being hammered last night with small earthquakes, okay? And I want you guys to have those links to go check them out for yourself. Copy. Now I got to be quiet because YouTube will go make some noises. And so I'm going to go and be quiet. All right, guys, I got those in the comment section. Now I'm going to copy the link. And put it in the community. It's a shame I have to go through all this. Why won't they let me just put it up when it's a live feed and post it? All right. All links are now in the description box. You also have smaller links in for Turkey, Puerto Rico, Switzerland, everything. All right, guys, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say, God bless, be safe. You guys are totally awesome. I've got to go get my gloves on, my mask on, and head up to the pharmacy. All right, thank God that Humana pays for these. That's my insurance company for these prescriptions, so I don't have to. All right, let's see who's here. Messenger, thank you for coming in, sweetie. Hub, thank you for coming in, sweetie. I appreciate you coming in. Lynn, you're a doll, baby. Pete, thank you so much, and you're a doll too. I know you're a guy, but thank you. All right, Rhoda, thank you so much. I don't mind doing this for you guys. You guys need to be kept up to date. Amelia, thank you for coming in, sweetie. All right, who else? Kat, thank you, sweetie. Thank you so much for coming in. You're totally awesome too. Sabrina, some S-A-M-B-A-T-I. Oh, okay. Welcome again, sweetie. You guys are totally awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. I think I said hi to everybody. Yes, I did. Carlos, no, I didn't. Hi, sweetie. Thank you for coming in. You guys are totally awesome. All right. I'm sending you guys the hugs, the much love. God bless each and every one of you. Please check out the links, please. I will keep an eye on the Peru-Ecuador border. All right. Have a great one.